Afternoon, ladies and gents. I'm going to kind of introduce you to some of the machines that I use here in the oil field. Our first machine is a Caterpillar 563D smooth drum compactor. Also has some bolt-on pad foot clamshells for it, for compacting the thicker lifts. Our Caterpillar D8R with a single shank ripper. Our Caterpillar 623B paddle wheel scraper. And our 623F paddle wheel scraper. We also have a Mack 2,500 gallon vacuum water truck, bobtail water truck. I believe it's 2,500 gallons. If anybody can correct me if I'm wrong. And also our Caterpillar 140H motor grader, commonly called a blade or sometimes even a maintainer, with a rear mounted ripper. Sometimes you see them with a mid mount or a front mount, but here in the oil field and almost everywhere here in south central Texas, you find the ripper mounted on the rear. Does have 5 shanks. And we also have 2 other machines. We have a John Deere 200LC excavator and a D8N manual angle blade dozer with a single shank ripper as well. The D8N is currently a little bit further south on a job that we finished up a while back, but haven't had any use for it, so it just kind of sits there. But those are some of our machines right there. If there's anything else anybody would like information on, just leave me a message and I'll get to you. Thanks.